DeepSeek just made its AI answer you up to 85% faster. Same answer, word for word. Not a cent more. And they pulled it off with a trick that sounds almost too dumb to work. They let a small, cheap AI guess what the big, expensive one is about to say, and most of the time, the little one nails it. To see why that's clever and why it's a big deal, start with the reason AI is slow in the first place. An AI writes your answer one word at a time, and every single word costs it a full run through its entire model. Picture a massive engine that has to roar all the way to life just to produce one word, then shut off, then roar back to life for the next. A long answer is that engine starting and stopping hundreds of times. The model isn't thinking hard. It's just buried in work, one word at a time, and you're watching it dig. The cost isn't only your patience. Every one of those engine runs burns real money. Electricity, expensive chips, the whole bill. When a company is serving millions of people at once, the speed of generating each word is the line between a service that's affordable and one that quietly bleeds cash. So making AI faster isn't a nice to have. It's one of the biggest problems in the whole industry. Crack it, and AI gets cheaper for everyone touching it, including the company that cracked it. DeepSeek's fix is called speculative decoding. Forget the name, the idea is simple. You bolt a small, fast helper onto the big, slow model. You ask your question, and the helper jumps in first and guesses the next few words. Ask for the capital of France, and it instantly fires back. The capital of France is Paris. A whole sentence, no effort, because that one's easy. Then the big model checks the guess. And this is the part that makes the whole thing work, the part most explanations skip right over. Checking is way faster than writing. Think about yourself for a second. You can read a sentence in about a second, but writing that same sentence takes you a lot longer. The AI is no different. The big model glances at the guess and goes, "Yep, that's exactly what I was about to say, approved." It just got a full sentence for one quick read instead of grinding out 5 slow steps to write it itself. When the guess is good, you fly. When the little model gets it wrong, the big one catches it, throws it out, and writes that part the slow way. So you never end up with a worse answer. Worst case, you're back to normal speed for that one bit. But most of the time, the guesses are good enough that the whole thing feels turbocharged. And a small, dumb model can guess for a big, smart one for one reason. Most language is predictable. I say, once upon a, you already know the next word. I say, thanks for watching, don't forget to, and you can finish it yourself. A huge chunk of any answer is easy filler the guesser nails without breaking a sweat. The big model only has to step in for the parts that actually need a brain. That's the real move here. Spend the expensive thinking only where it counts, and let the cheap helper handle the rest. People have built versions of this trick before. What DeepSeek did was make the intern noticeably better at guessing, so more of its guesses survive the check. They taught the system to stop wasting effort on guesses that were obviously going to fail, and to speed up or ease off depending on how busy the chips are. And the whole thing is lossless. That's the word that matters. You are mathematically guaranteed the exact same answer you'd have gotten the slow way. They didn't trade quality for speed. They just deleted the weighting. So how much weighting disappears? On their lighter model, 60 to 85% of it. On the heavier one, 57 to 78. And it's fastest on code and math because that's where the next few words are the easiest to guess. If you pay for AI by how much it generates, or you've built something on top of one and watched it lag, that range is the whole game. Now step back from the tech for a second, because this is the part that actually lands. DeepSeek is a Chinese lab running on a fraction of the money the big American labs throw around. And instead of locking this up to sell it, they published the paper, open-sourced the code, and handed out the toolkit to build it yourself. Free. The kind of thing the giants treat as a trade secret, DeepSeek just gave to the entire world. Their speed numbers are their own for now, measured on their own setup, and they'll shrink a bit when outsiders test them on messier prompts. Fair. But the method is out. Anyone can take it. That's how the whole field actually moves forward, and it isn't the labs with the deepest pockets pushing it. So that's DSpark. It doesn't make the AI smarter. It makes it faster by letting a small model guess ahead and a big one check in bulk instead of grinding out every word by hand. Up to 85% quicker, the exact same answer, and free for anyone to use. If that turned a confusing headline into something that finally makes sense, subscribe for more AI explained in plain language. See you in the next one.